I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you look number 9 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I am highlighting the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. I'm running out of looks, but I'm trying. I only have one look left to do with this palette. I did a very pink gold halo eye. I really like how it turned out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. So I'm doing look number 9. I'm almost done with this series. So crazy. I'm running out of ideas. So that's probably good that I'm almost done. I wanted to try to do a more neutral eye look and use these more neutral glitters on the bottom, but it's kind of hard to see what exactly I want to do because the only semi-neutral color is orange. I think I'm gonna do a pink with a gold on the inner part of the lid, so I'm just gonna go with that. So first I'm gonna pick up this Morphe M518 brush, and I'm gonna start with Amy, which you guys know. This is like my favorite color. And I have my eyes, you can see that, I have my eyes primed with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, but I didn't set it because I wanted to try. It makes it more sticky and it makes your shadows a little more intense. So I just kind of pat it where I want it and then blend out from there. I'm still kind of sick. I had bronchitis, so I was coughing for like 3 weeks straight and it was awful, and I was tired and it was just not a fun time. Finally went to the doctor and got a Z-Pack, and I'm finally feeling so much better. So yay for that. I love this color so much. This is probably my most favorite shade that I own. I'm just blending that out. Let me see how creasy my eyes get. I'm just keeping that really deep right into the crease and blending it out towards the eyebrow. I really love this eyeshadow palette because you're able to build up the color quite a bit to where it looks like I had 2 different shades of pink, where it really is diffused out towards the eyebrow, but then right in the crease I was able to get such a deep color. It just looks so awesome. So I really like this palette because I could really use 1 or 2 eyeshadows and make a complete look, and it would look awesome. So next I'm picking up this Curie Cosmetics blending brush. I'm gonna pick up Eliza D. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and on the inner corner. Just lightly blending that into the crease. Back in with that first brush, I am just blending out that crease. And these shadows, they just blend so beautifully together. Okay, so there's like a straight up gold right here. There it is. Or there's this champagne color right here. And I can't decide if I want to go straight gold with this or if I want to use that champagne. Maybe I'll go gold all over and then pop the champagne in the center. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna pick up a little detail brush like this one. This is a You Spicy, it's cute, 15 brush, and I just got this set off of Amazon. Came with a ton of little like packing brushes like this. Not a ton of blending brushes, but a decent amount of these packing brushes. Picking up the NYX Glitter Primer. Less is more with this product. I found if I pack too much on, it sometimes is really hard to make it go where I want it to go. So now I'm just gonna go and create a not super defined but halo eye. I'm gonna go in with this, just a packing brush. I'm gonna pick up the gold, which is Wendy G, and place that That's pretty. Place that right where I put all of that glitter primer. Wow, that is an intense gold. And then with a smaller brush, if I can find one, I'm gonna pick up champagne. These are very flaky, and I am gonna spray that, and I'm gonna pop that right on the center of where we put that gold. I don't know if that made a difference. Then I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush and a little bit more of Eliza D and just blend those edges. Gonna go do that to the other eye. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face, and I will be right back to finish up the rest of my makeup. I have some super exciting stuff that I'm trying out, so I'm excited. So I just finished up my face makeup, so I'm gonna finish up my eyes really quick. I'm gonna be really simple about this. I'm gonna pick up Amy and smoke that out. With a definer brush, I'm going to pick up Eliza D, and I'm going to keep that right next to the waterline. Then on a small brush, I'm going to pick up Rose Quartz and spray that with a setting spray, and I'm going to pack that on the inner corner. Ooh, it is so pretty. I love these top shades, these top shimmer shades in this palette. They are so pretty. For inner corner highlights, they have so it's white gold, rose quartz, Julie T, moonstone. Those four right there are gorgeous. If you have a more orangey yellow eye look, white gold would look gorgeous on the inner corner. Rose quartz looks awesome with pinks because it has a pink reflect. Julie T has a green reflect to it, and moonstone has a blue purple reflect to it. And if you're doing one of those colored looks, it complements the eye look so much. I love it. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that lightly and just add it a little bit right under the arch. I'm going to line the waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Yayo. And this is the finished look. This is look number 9 out of 10 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I really like this eye look. I only used a couple eyeshadows, which is cool because I think it looks pretty intricate. Not like crazy intricate, but the way that these shadows stack on top of each other and build and blend out make it so easy to create an eye look with only using a couple shadows. So I really like that. I didn't set the concealer that I primed with before I went in, and I really feel like that helped the eyeshadow actually quite a bit. So I feel like by the next look, look number 10, I will have it down to a science how to get this palette to work. So I just did a pink and gold eye look. Really like it. Of course I went pinks. I'm like running out of colors to use, but I love this gold. It is gorgeous. The pinks are gorgeous. The inner corner rose quartz highlight shade right here is so pretty. In person it looks gorgeous. It isn't picking up on camera as intense of a pink that it is, but it is so pretty. I really like that. Like I said, I did film a 5 first impressions on this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products or looks you want me to try out, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.